Here's how to play chess on Duolingo. Open the Duolingo app and look at the top left corner of your main learning screen. You will see a small flag icon representing the language you are currently learning. Tap on that flag icon. A new menu will appear showing several language and feature options available in Duolingo. Look through this menu for the chess option and tap on it to continue. Duolingo will open a new section for learning chess. Before you start, it may ask a few quick questions to gauge your current knowledge level. You will typically see options like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, so choose whichever best fits you. Duolingo may also ask where you would like to start. You can begin from the very basics or let Duolingo recommend a starting point based on your answers. If you are completely new to chess, starting from the beginning is the best choice so you can learn all the fundamental rules step by step. Once you have answered these questions, the chess learning interface will load, and you can begin learning to play chess in a fun, interactive way directly inside Duolingo. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.